Hi, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Sokwa. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to share with you about one software that I really like that's available online, and it's for free. You don't really need to sign up for an account to use it. So what is it? It's called Wheel of Names, as you can see that I'm sharing my screen right now. So this is very useful for fellow Toastmasters who likes to use this as one of the ways to choose the topic for the speakers. Or for this case, Wheel of Names can also be for lucky draw, for company events, and even for virtual events nowadays. You want to pick a gift for your friends or whatever social activities. This Wheel of Names is really interesting. So let me navigate you through what we have in this Wheel of Names. All right, see on the top here, you can see there are a few buttons for you to choose. You can click new to open up a new wheel to edit, and open if you want to open from your previous wheel. In this case, I did not sign into my Google account, so I wouldn't be able to see my previous wheels. So if you want to save many wheels using your account, it's highly recommended to sign up using a Google account. You can save your wheel if you have an account, and you can even share this wheel using a shareable link to other people. All right, here are some of the conditions that you can read. Next, one thing that I recently discovered is that you can play interesting musics while spinning the wheel. How you want to do that? Here you click the customize. So how does it work? For example, during the spin, what kind of music you want to play, you can choose from a drop-down list. Personally, I think this is more than enough for the kinds of music available. Example, you have Bollywood music, cheerful music, circus style music. Let me try one and show you. Here you can click play. Yes, Arabic song, right? Interesting. Stop, and you can choose others to have a feel what is it about. Can you hear? So if you want to make it louder, you can just drag the intensity of the music. Okay, always test the music before you share screen in a meeting, because sometimes we don't want it to be too loud for the audience and the music may swallow your voice. All right, let me just show you another music, spooky music. Okay, so stop this. Here, what are some other options available? Allow duplicates on the wheel means that, example, you have two Peter, the name, okay? So it allows duplicates. And here, spin slowly, you want to put that, you can do that. Or you want to show the title of the wheels. In this case, my title is demo. And the spin time, you can adjust according to your preference. Sometimes you just want to have 5-second spin to reveal the result, so you can just adjust it according to your preference. And lastly, here is the maximum number of names visible on the wheel. If you have a lucky draw for a huge event for your company, for example, you can just copy paste their names from an Excel file to this box that I will show you later. So here, maximum, they can go up to 1,000. Amazing, right? So here you can just limit the names in the text box before you edit anything. And now let me show you after the spin, what will you be able to edit. Here you can also edit the sound. For example, when the answer was revealed, what kind of sound effect to show here. That as simple as dun, dun, dun. Or you can have applause, right? Can you hear the applause? I hope it's not too soft. Let me make it louder. Yeah, all right. So it's an applause, or you can even have a louder applause here. Yeah, with some hooray woo sound, as well as alarm clock. Okay, that is quite scary. So it depends on what kind of event or what kind of wheel that you are showing. Animate winning entry, launch confetti is the celebration. Auto remove winner after 5 seconds, because usually after we selected one answer, we would want to remove it so that the person would not win again, or you do not want to have the same topic for the speaker again. So here is how you can do it, auto removal if you want. If not, there is an option for you to click remove after each entry. Here you can say, you can edit this, the message. Sometimes you can say, congrats, you are the winner. Or here, for this case, we are doing the impromptu speaking session. So here, okay, this is your topic. Congratulations. Okay, here you want to play a click sound when the winner is removed. You can also put that to alert you. Otherwise, you can just remain. And of course, these kind of sound effects, you can also click no sound if you do not want to have any sound. And lastly, here, to make it more interesting, the wheel, you are able to edit the theme as well. Here, see, there are many themes, example, red desert, sunset, all this. You can choose whatever you prefer. So for myself, I picked the Malaysia. Yeah, I picked the Malaysia flag theme. Yes, yeah, I picked the Malaysia flag theme. So that is why you can see here, they are all the flag colors of a Malaysia flag. Today is the National Day of Malaysia, 31st August. And that is why I chose that theme. Okay, right. Now here in the center of the wheel, you can also upload an image if you want. And you can choose whether the size of the image should be small or extra large, and even the page background color, you can choose it. For example, maybe I choose a bit pinkish. Let's see later what it comes out. All right, okay, there you go, a pinkish background based on what you have chosen. So here I did a simple wheel of names, purely names. And for your information, if you see right, on this right side, let me explain a little bit more. But before that, let me show you some other buttons over here. You can put it full screen when you want to share with your audience. And here, when you click more, there are other functions such as user reviews and tutorials in YouTube, and FAQ, terms and conditions. You can even link to Google Spreadsheet, use a dark mode like that. I don't want it. And even access your account. Here, if you are from another country, you can always pick your home country's language. Let's spin the wheel. Ta-da! Can you hear the alarm clock that I picked just now? And there's a confetti beside it. All right, so here there's the remove option that I showed you just now because we did not click auto removal. So click removed and Peter will be removed from the wheel. Last one option. So here how it works if you want to edit, if you just simply add a name over here, all right, then it will appear. And you can always shuffle the order as you want. And here the results is, yeah, the results are those who have been spinned and removed previously. And for your information, you can also even hide this entire box so that you don't want people to see what are the entries that you have keyed in. The one thing that I love is that not only you can key in text, but you can also add images. That's why you can see this present over here. So simply download that image to your computer, and when you add image, it will pop up and ask you to choose the image that you want from your computer. All right. So it's as simple as that. Here, this wheel in the middle, it's empty right now because I did not add image, but of course you can always go to the customize to add an image. As simple as that. All right. Then next thing I can also show you, if you scroll down further, there are some other info for your reference. Here, what can I use the wheel for? Okay. For educators in the classroom, for teachers, if you want to make interesting sessions, use it so that you can pick the next student to answer your question or do an assignment, etc. Presentation to pick a lucky winner at work, randomize who to speak first, or even for your own personal to-do list, you're not so sure which one to work on first, you can use this wheel to make it more interesting. Okay. Yeah, I think that's my sharing for today. And thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and click for the notifications bell. Thank you very much. If you have any other suggestion or any other wheels that you like to use, you can also put it in the comments so that I can also explore further. For me personally, wheel of names, when I type it out in Google, it appears first. So I suppose this is one of the most popular used wheels in the world. And you can see the interface is very simple and it's easy to use without needing much tutorial. So I hope you will enjoy this wheel of names and bring more fun into your life. Thank you very much for listening. Take care.